What's up, guys? I want to do a little commentary and show you guys this video of probably the biggest snook of my life. It had to have been 60 inches at least. Made my spin fisher 4500 look like a Barbie pole. It worked it over really hard. It's a bad start from the beginning. I didn't know he was hooked until he was already under the boat. He dove really hard, had my rod all the way in the water, pretty much trying to keep him off at the bottom of the boat. Finally got it worked around. He went into some docks. When I jumped up onto the dock I was tied off to, that run he makes, I'm actually holding the spool. I was holding the spool as much as I thought I could with the 30-pound leader we were using. And he made a last little head shake on a piling after I gained some line and was pulling him back through the docks. And it was over from there. I actually did look at the line and it was pretty frayed up.
We got a freaking monster on. Oh! Alley-oop, yeah. Little guy. Little guy jumped right up in the boat. This is my favorite kind of fishing. I love these snook. Nice red right there. Got a pretty tail. Little snooky snook. I hate these little ones. They come in so fresh. Come on now. Got him right in that nostril. Nice pretty one. He's really pretty. Two snook and a redfish today. And a little snapper. So we didn't catch any more good fish. Got a couple snappers for dinner. That was about it. It's hot. Weather's kind of moving in. I think we're just gonna ride out. Got a good little bit of a haul back to the ramp, so gonna get that going. What are you doing?
Ha ha ha!